Okay, here's a fun one you may have not heard about. Using a coat hanger, a 30-gallon garbage bag, and duct tape. We're going to measure CFM with these items. A 30-gallon garbage bag contains 4.01 cubic feet. Take your wire coat hanger and attach it to the garbage bag with duct tape as shown in figure 1. Then put the hanger and bag over a register and let the air inflate the bag. Using a stopwatch, count the number of seconds it takes to totally inflate the bag with air. In our example, it took 3.1 seconds to fully inflate the bag. Taking our 4.01 cubic feet as the capacity of the 30-gallon garbage bag, we divide this number by the number of seconds it took to inflate the bag. 4.01 divided by 3.1 seconds equals 1.29. We then multiply 1.29 by 60, and we find that this register is producing 77.7 cubic feet per minute, CFM.
Go to arefco.com for more videos. Like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.